Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today that we are gonna go on a hiking trail at Yates Cider Mill here in Michigan. So come along with us for a walk. All right. Pick it up, silly. It's a little windy out, so hopefully the sound quality is okay. The gorgeous river. So we are on the main trail here. Just absolutely gorgeous. Look at how it's still early. It's just the beginning of June. And look at all the trees grown in this path, and you're just walking alongside that river. Very, very cool. So we got stairs that lead down these little pathways. Had to break out family exercise here.
Everyone, do some squats.
Booty back, booty back.
This is so.
5 more.
It is a pretty dragonfly.
There's a butterfly. Or is that a butterfly or a
Double winged dragon. Found a trail, off-road from a trail. Wow, that green is awesome. I can't get it on camera, unfortunately. Blue one up there. Lots of dragonflies on this trail. Yeah, that is neat. Not sure we can get back up on that step. Jeez, oh Pete's. How cool is that? Listen to the sound of that. That's what I want our waterfall to sound like. Cool. Take a picture of you too, but you guys got off the tree.
Okay. It's okay. I mean, I know you said there were some big ants that you were a little frightened by, so. Okay. That was a good picture, guys.
This is like, look at the bark on this tree.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's got to be an old tree.
Hold on. I'm going to go check this out. I'm pretty sure it's dead.
Look at this. Xander, look.
Wow. That tree.
Oh!
All the bark just split right off of it, and the actual log is right there.
Yeah, this
That's
one's
cool.
dead end. It leads up to like, it's Bigfoot.
You think Bigfoot did that?
No, it's too charred. It looks like lightning.
I think it just rotted out. That's so cool.
That's just amazing. Or Bigfoot may have a bone. Adventure, we got it one. Technically, this is a trail, but it's pretty much off-road.
Crazy.
Come on, Dad.
So this is called Horsetail according to Google Lens. It's natural herbs growing, and they are used apparently for your back and your joints. I just looked it up on Google Lens. How cool is that? I thought it looked kind of like bamboo, but it's growing everywhere through here. Look at this trail. This shot is just crazy. I gotta duck down like to my hands and knees to get through here. Oh! How cool. Coming, buddy.
Alright, be careful.
I'm trying. tilts, huh? Yeah, good call. Whoa! Right on.
Come on, Dad.
Coming, buddy.
That's making sure you're with us.
Well, thank you for that. It's at the end of the trail, it looks like. Somebody's got a tire swing set up. Camp. Sure, that's somebody's private property, but that's pretty cool. This is the end of the side trail. It does look like there's a trail across the water, but I don't know. I don't think we can get across there. We might be able to get across these logs, dear. There is a trail over there. How adventurous do you want to get?
I don't know how long that trail goes, though, or where it goes.
I don't either. I don't know where that trail goes.
Well, it goes back to what the one we were already on.
Those daffodils are very pretty. Yeah, there's a fence up there.
Oh, yeah. It
So.
might be private property then.
It's probably the end of the cider mill's property. Yeah. Got away from the river, back on the main trail, and it has a loop that takes you back out into the woods. This is kind of a marsh area, but just look at that beautiful landscape. I bet we might see a deer if we're close. Bunch of skunk cabbage, these big leaf plants here just growing right alongside the water banks, and just all this lush vegetation, all the cattails in there. Just imagine the wildlife. You know, it's nice when you see all the buildings being built up around you everywhere. As gardeners, we can appreciate this type of scenery. So if you guys like just getting out in nature and enjoying it, like even this is just cool. Rotting logs, compost, guys, compost, which just feeds nature, right? And look at that, just amazing. And it's not rocks, it's not wood chips, it's not a maintained trail. Things are overgrown. It's just out in it. Not a soul in sight. Well, some bikers just to ride through, but you know, just you and your family on the trail. Fallen logs. How cool. A little bit of off-roading here as we tee off. Look at these raspberry plants here. How cool is that? I believe these are probably some wild black raspberries. You can see that, and then leads into this field of just beautiful wildflowers. How cool, mixed with all these raspberry plants. Cider mill's back that way. We were heading to an offshoot that said there was a park this way, so checking it out. But how cool is this? Sun shining through. Thought we'd share. And we made it to the end of the Yates Cider Mill trail. Come all the way out to the open clearing, and takes you right, all their stock stuff, but right into the back of their cider mill, where you can get fudge, and cider and donuts in the fall. I don't think any of that's open right now, but we can always look. Oh, there you have it, guys. Thanks for coming along on this walk with us. I didn't capture everything, of course. I really encourage you guys to come out, check this all out yourself. I'll put the location and the address in the description below. You know, I hope Yates is okay with us recording this, of course. Not sponsored by them whatsoever, just a fun walk. So take care, guys. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your gardens. Thanks for watching.